Take a moment to close your eyes and picture this. When you try to stand up tomorrow morning, your legs feel wobbly, almost like they're made of jelly. As you reach for a glass of water, your arms tremble slightly. A wave of panic might hit you out of nowhere. What's causing this? What if I told you there's a hidden factor in your body quietly sapping your strength over time, often without any clear warning signs? By the end of this video, no matter if you're over 80, you'll discover which foods can help you rebuild muscle and regain confidence. Stay with me because this information could change your life. As you listen to these words, know this. Your muscles might be weakening right now, and it's not your imagination. You may have noticed a growing sense of frailty. Perhaps it's harder to carry groceries or climb stairs. As we age, especially after 50, our bodies naturally start losing muscle mass. This process, known as sarcopenia, creeps in silently, often without pain or obvious symptoms. There's no discomfort, no red flags, yet it's stealing your strength and independence bit by bit. Have you ever woken up feeling drained, struggled to get off the couch, or felt unsteady on your feet? This isn't just normal aging. It's a sign of sarcopenia, a condition now officially recognized as a disease by the World Health Organization. Unlike other health issues that announce themselves with pain or fever, sarcopenia works in the shadows. It erodes your strength until the signs are unmistakable. Shaky balance, weak legs, difficulty standing from a chair, or unexplained falls that seem to happen more often. A groundbreaking study from Harvard Medical School reveals a sobering truth. Even with a healthy diet and lifestyle, you could lose up to 33% of your muscle mass after age 60. What's more alarming? For many, this loss begins decades earlier, often in your 50s. This isn't just a statistic. It could affect you or someone you love. That's why I urge you to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Each week, we share vital health insights like this to help you live stronger and healthier. Our next video will dive deeper into practical steps to protect your mobility. Don't miss it. Now here's the good news you've been waiting for. Are you ready? If this resonates with you, type 1 in the comments below. If not, type 2. Recent research is overturning the myth that muscle loss is inevitable. A study found that 91% of people over 70 who made simple dietary changes saw significant muscle restoration in just 6 weeks. In a moment, I'll reveal exactly how they did it. Scientists now know that specific foods contain nutrients that can help even those over 80 rebuild muscle. While aging brings changes, sarcopenia can be managed, and even reversed, with practical everyday steps. What if I told you certain foods could quietly restore your strength, helping seniors over 80 regain muscle power? Nutrition often outperforms medication when it comes to preserving vitality. Let's explore the first of 9 essential foods every senior should embrace to maintain muscle health. These choices are game changers, often overlooked and backed by science. Brown rice, the unsung hero of muscle maintenance. Brown rice is a powerhouse for sustaining energy and supporting muscle health. Unlike white rice, which is stripped of nutrients, brown rice retains its bran and germ, delivering complex carbohydrates, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. These carbs provide a steady energy source, crucial for physical activity, muscle recovery, and overall strength. For seniors whose energy levels can fluctuate, brown rice helps stabilize blood sugar, reducing fatigue and weakness from energy spikes and crashes. The fiber in brown rice supports digestion, which can slow with age, ensuring your body absorbs nutrients efficiently. It also helps regulate blood sugar, vital for muscle function. Brown rice is rich in magnesium, which prevents cramps and supports muscle contractions. and B vitamins like B12, which aid red blood cell production and nerve function for better coordination. Add brown rice to your meals a few times a week. Try it in stir-fries, salads, or as a side dish for a simple step towards stronger muscles. Quinoa, the complete protein. Powerhouse quinoa has earned its reputation as a superfood, especially for seniors aiming to preserve muscle. Unlike most plant-based foods, quinoa is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids your body can't produce on its own. These amino acids are critical for muscle repair and growth, helping prevent age-related muscle loss, adding we age. Our ability to extract protein from food declines, making high-quality sources like quinoa essential. 1 cup of cooked quinoa provides about 8 grams of protein, plus fiber to support digestion and stable blood sugar. It's also packed with magnesium for muscle function, iron for oxygen delivery, and B vitamins for energy metabolism. Quinoa's versatility makes it easy to add to soups, salads, or breakfast bowls. Incorporate it regularly to support strength and mobility. Walnuts, a nutrient-dense muscle. Ally walnuts are a nutritional gem for seniors, offering benefits for both heart and muscle health. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, they reduce inflammation, which can accelerate muscle breakdown and cause joint pain. Lowering inflammation helps protect against sarcopenia and supports mobility. Walnuts also provide plant-based protein, about 4 grams per ounce, along with antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols, which combat oxidative stress that weakens muscles with age. Sprinkle a handful of walnuts on yogurt, salads, or oatmeal daily. Their protein and healthy fats support muscle repair, especially after physical activity, making them a simple yet powerful addition to your diet. Blueberries. Antioxidant protection for muscles. Blueberries are more than a tasty treat. They're a muscle-protecting superfood. Their vibrant color comes from anthocyanins, antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress, a major cause of muscle aging. By neutralizing free radicals, blueberries help preserve muscle fibers, reducing weakness and discomfort. These berries also aid muscle recovery after exercise by reducing inflammation and oxidative damage, which is especially helpful for seniors who take longer to bounce back. Blueberries provide vitamin C for collagen production, supporting muscle and tendon strength, and potassium for fluid balance and muscle performance. Aim for 1 cup daily, fresh or frozen, in smoothies, yogurt, or as a snack to safeguard your muscles and boost overall health. Flax seeds. Tiny seeds, big benefits. Don't underestimate flax seeds. These tiny powerhouses support muscle health with protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids, ALA. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, protecting muscles from deterioration, while lignans, a type of antioxidant, shield muscle cells from oxidative damage. The fiber in flax seeds promotes healthy digestion, crucial for absorbing nutrients like protein that support muscle growth. Flax seeds offer plant-based protein to aid muscle repair, making them ideal for seniors. Grind 1 to 2 tablespoons daily and add to smoothies, cereal, or baked goods, as whole seeds may pass through undigested. This simple habit can enhance strength and vitality. Cottage cheese, the nighttime muscle protector. Cottage cheese is a secret weapon for muscle health, especially as a bedtime snack. Its casein protein digests slowly, providing a steady stream of amino acids to prevent muscle breakdown during sleep. 1 cup delivers about 25 grams of high-quality protein, supporting muscle repair and growth. Cottage cheese also offers calcium for bone health and muscle contractions, plus B vitamins like B12 for nerve function and coordination. Choose unsweetened, Varieties and pair with honey, berries, or walnuts for added flavor and nutrients. Enjoy it 3 to 4 times a week in the evening to wake up feeling stronger. Greek yogurt, a muscle-building bedtime. Boost Greek yogurt is another nighttime hero, delivering up to 20 grams of protein per 170-gram serving. Its casein protein supports muscle repair during sleep, countering the increased muscle breakdown that occurs overnight. Greek yogurt also provides phosphorus, calcium, and vitamin D for bone and muscle health, plus probiotics to enhance nutrient absorption and reduce inflammation. Opt for plain, sugar-free varieties and add honey, walnuts, or berries for flavor. Include Greek yogurt 3 to 4 times a week, especially in the evening, to support muscle preservation and recovery. If you're trying this tonight, let us know in the comments. Fatty fish. Omega-3s for strength. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna are muscle-building allies. They combine high-quality protein, about 20 grams per 100 grams of salmon, with omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, to reduce inflammation and enhance muscle sensitivity to protein. This helps your body use nutrients more effectively, slowing age-related muscle loss. Fatty fish also provide vitamin D, crucial for muscle function and bone health, especially for seniors with limited sun exposure. Research shows that eating fatty fish twice a week can significantly reduce strength decline over 3 years. Choose grilled or baked preparations and enjoy 2 to 3 servings weekly for optimal benefits. Lean protein. The foundation of muscle health. Lean protein sources, whether from lean beef, chicken, or plant-based options like lentils, are critical for combating muscle loss. Seniors need 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily, nearly double that of younger adults. Leucine, an amino acid abundant in lean meats and quinoa, activates muscle growth pathways, which become less responsive with age. A 100-gram serving of lean beef provides 25 grams of complete protein, plus creatine, iron, zinc, and B vitamins for muscle strength and energy. For plant-based diets, combine legumes, nuts, and grains for complete proteins. Spread protein intake across meals and include lean sources 2 to 3 times a week, prepared by grilling or roasting.